going on a field trip together. We're going back to middle school to chemistry class. Do you remember that? It was an experiment we did with salt water, a battery, and 2 pencils. And guess what? The reaction then that you witnessed that day is a key to tackling climate change. Yes, at 14 years old, we already knew. And today, we have the means to replace fossil fuels with green hydrogen. Let's walk through this. The experiment I'm alluding to is called water electrolysis, and it's a way to create hydrogen. On Earth, hydrogen is found in greatest quantities in H2O. And when you use renewable electricity to split water into H and O, that's green hydrogen. And when you use, and the device creating this reaction is called an electrolyzer. There are other colors of hydrogen out there, but they're all worsening climate change. We are talking about green hydrogen, which is 100% clean and is the quickest path to scaling green hydrogen by mass producing electrolyzers. But first, why do we need green hydrogen? When we look at our today's global energy consumption, only 20% of it comes in form of electricity and electrons. This means the remaining 80% of the world's energy use is in the form of molecules. And while the world is making rapid progress in greening our electricity, we need to look forward to our molecules as well. You think about your industry, transport, heating, and cooling sectors. They're all powered by molecules, and yes, this largely means fossil fuels, coal, oil, and gas. We won't be able to electrify all our sectors, and here's why. Well, let's start with an example from an industry sector. Molecules create the reactions, not the electrons. To create steel the old way, first we mine iron ore, then burn coal to remove the oxygen from the iron mix. 7 to 9% of our world's CO2 emissions come from this process. And it's the coal that provides the molecule, creating the reaction to get rid of the oxygen. Electrons can't do that. But what they can do is power the device that creates green hydrogen. And this clean molecule will create the reaction, attract the oxygen, and emit water in the process. So by changing the process, we eliminate 90% of our CO2 emissions. And today, major European steel manufacturers are already building green hydrogen-based steel processes.